Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, yesterday, if you were watching the news, didn't see any breaks. Basically, the storm tracker was just called the green tracker. It was just rain, 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 rain pretty much all over western Oregon. Today, we've at least seen some breaks. Saw a little bit of sunshine earlier this afternoon here at the station, but we've also been pelted by some pretty good showers as well. So far today, our official rain gauge at the Eugene airport, we've picked up just under about 3/4 of an inch of rain. And again, that's adding to the 3+ that we saw for the last 72 hours. Let's go outside and show you what we've got right now in the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep. But the good news is that we're seeing some good breaks within this. Now, it is still going to come down, and that does include just about everybody across the viewing area, including up and towards the central Willamette Valley, down to the southern valley here, and I think even possibly looking at some light drizzle, maybe a quick passing shower for folks in the Umpqua. Most of the rain will likely be done there. We're just basically looking back over towards the central coast. It's where the best dynamics are moving through. Otherwise, what a weekend, that's for sure. A very, very soggy September forecast. Since Friday night, this is updated from this afternoon, we've seen about 3.69 inches of rain. Yesterday, we got almost 2 inches, and that just destroyed the record that we set back in 1994. That's a one day, mind you. Normally, for the entire month, we should only get about 1.25 inches, and we're almost at 7 inches so far. And as I mentioned earlier, that smashed the record set way back in 1927 of about 5 2/10 inches. So here's what we've got now. Low starting to slowly slide southward too. There's no front developed on that yet. Basically just what we call a trough, just kind of sitting out there. So it is concentrating some showers across parts of the northwest, and so that is going to sort of add insult to injury, with many places still very waterlogged from that record-setting weekend. 60 in Portland today, only got up to 56 in Corvallis. They've seen a little better concentration of showers around Beavertown there. 61 in Eugene, 63 in Roseburg, and low 60s out along the coast. Isolated showers at the coast tonight and inland as well. I'm going to take the showers out of Roseburg's forecast. Might see just a quick passing one or some drizzle overnight. We'll also see some breaks in the clouds, and that should get us back to a relatively foggy start to the day tomorrow. But we have a secondary front getting closer to us. That'll swing through tomorrow afternoon. A third one will come in behind that as well for Wednesday. And then the good news is that should be the end of it for the rest of the work week. So let's start off as we go hour by hour tonight into tomorrow morning by 7 o'clock. Again, still some scattered activity, mainly out to the coast and north of us, moving into southern Washington, Cascades, and then see things slowly try to dry out by the afternoon, just for a couple of hours. And then as we head in towards Wednesday, starting off on the drier note, still soggy, but then by the afternoon and evening, we'll see that last wave swing on through. So we'll go scattered showers at the coast for tomorrow. Southwest winds won't be as strong, certainly. A lot of tree limbs down, a lot of road crews out there still trying to get some work done. So again, if you happen to see any of those, just take it easy, find another route. I do think we'll see some stronger winds again on Wednesday, but certainly not the hurricane force winds that we saw just about 24 hours ago. In the Umpqua Basin, isolated showers tomorrow, get some sun breaks by the afternoon, and then a little wetter on Wednesday. And then looky there, back into the 70s and some sunshine by Friday and Saturday. Slushy mix in the Cascades, rain mixing with snow with the freezing levels around 5,000 feet. Partly sunny in Bend and Redmond. I don't think tomorrow's front will get there. Wednesday, we'll just see some isolated shower chances and then drier finally by the weekend. And scattered showers tomorrow for the valley. This will be the sort of second to last day of the cool, very unsettled weather. The good news is, guys, right now it looks like by Friday and Saturday we should be able to crack out some afternoon sunshine. There's a lot of ground moisture, so I'm not expecting to get a whole lot of dry time, at least early Thursday morning, too. It's still going to stay pretty damp. It's going to take a few days for us to dry out. 6 inches of rain.
My car is cleaner now than it was back in the summertime.
Amazing, isn't it? I mean,
That's the good news right
it's
there.
Like it's getting power washed every day, 3 times.
Pretty much did most of the weekend.
All right, the Coats for Kids campaign.